Using a pick or a flathead screwdriver, you can go ahead and pop out that lock, pinch the connector, and separate this. Using a 10mm socket, you're going to go ahead and remove this bolt here, and do the same for the other side. And grab the fan. Just give that a tug. Pull this up and out of the way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lower this fan down. Now these tabs will actually slip into tabs on the radiator itself. Lower that right down into it. All right, now that that's in, we can go ahead and put our bolts in on the upper part of the fan. I'm going to go ahead and install that 10mm bolt. Go ahead and get that started, and repeat for the other side. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the connector, line that up, press it into place. All right, once that's pressed on and clicked into place, go ahead and press that red lock tab in.